1/4 cup of lemon juice. It's a weird looking lemon you got there. It's a weird looking face you got there. Good one. What's the big deal? It says 100% juice, and you are 100% lazy. That is not going to get me to start using fresh lemon juice. All right. Well then. Scientific-ish testing. Okay, yeah, that sounds like something I'm not gonna do. With pie, keep talking. And booze? You know me so well. Let's go! All right, so let's talk about the pre-squeezed lemon juice. I got this from a local supermarket. It says 100% juice. It also says 100% juice right here. However, below the 100% juice on the front label, it says from concentrate with added ingredients. 100% juice with added ingredients. We haven't done the taste test yet. I have no idea if I'm gonna be able to tell the difference. But just that alone kind of bothers me. There's lemon juice concentrate, which consists of water and lemon juice concentrate. The lemon juice concentrate consists of water and lemon juice concentrate. Sodium metabisulfite, which is a preservative, followed by lemon oil. So there's 2 different lemon derivatives, and sodium benzoate. This is something you would know if you followed me on TikTok or Instagram. So you know the thing. Their first taste test is actually gonna be straight. So we have this nice big carafe of lemon juice, which I squeezed earlier. Salud. Woo! Woo! That really has a kick there. Tiny bit sweet, but really mostly just sour and somehow still delicious. Like, I know I was just cringing, but I love lemons. They're so good. Now this. So, okay. Not looking forward to this. Just look at this. Look at that. This is obviously from a fruit that is yellow, and this does not look like it came from a lemon. All right, it's very fragrant. It's like, it smells like too lemony. Oh. If you've ever had lemon oil or lemon extract before, the flavor changes somehow. I don't know the science behind that, but really kind of does have that lemon flavor taste instead of like the taste of a lemon. It's like, it tastes like something that's lemon flavored. For our next test, I thought it would be interesting to compare these in a cocktail, since there are other ingredients that may mask the difference, but since no heat is applied, there's no real change to the juice itself. I'm going with the classic French 75. There's some debate as to whether gin or cognac is correct in this, but since I don't have cognac in the house, I guess I'm team gin. Into a shaker with some ice, I'm adding 1 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. After shaking that like a Polaroid picture, I'll pour it into a flute with 3 ounces of sparkling wine, and it's ready for consumption. Now I'll repeat those same steps with the bottled lemon juice, and we have a nice boozy taste test to perform. Start with the fresh, just going in. It's all right. Not a huge fan of gin, actually, but yeah, not bad. Now let's see if we can taste the difference in the bottled lemon juice. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. It's like very present. I really think it's the lemon oil. It just gives it a very artificial taste. It is a very stark difference immediate. And it's a harsh lemon flavor, like, you know it's lemon, but also there's just that other thing. It actually kind of reminds me of the pre-minced garlic in the way where it's like the flavor of the ingredient was almost stronger than it was with like the fresh ingredient, but in a way where you can tell that it's artificially boosted somehow. Yeah, I'm done with this. Finally, since it's a time that contains a number and a day that ends in Y, we are ready for dessert. There are plenty of lemon desserts to choose from, but since I love pie so much, I decided to go with a Southern classic, the lemon chess pie. For test purposes, I'm making some mini pies, placing the rolled out pie dough into the little tins and folding the excess under the edges to make a nice crust. Of course, if you're interested in how to make this delicious buttery crust, I made a full tutorial on how to do just that. These are getting wrapped with some plastic wrap and filled with some uncooked rice to help the pie shell hold its shape before going into a freezer until we're ready for the filling. Into a bowl, we're adding cornmeal, cornstarch, sugar, salt, melted butter, lemon juice, and eggs. I'll give that a quick mix and fill our pie shells. I'll place a snowflake cookie cutter on the pan in front of the pie with the fresh lemon juice so we didn't get confused as to which was which. Into the 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes until the filling is set and we get a light brown crust, just like this. I'll let these cool for about an hour before tasting them. Alright, so we've done the drinks, we did the raw test, now it's time for the baked good. This is the one that I kind of gave the most chance to kind of hide behind all of the ingredients and the fact that it got baked. Maybe there's a chance you're not able to tell between the two. So I'm gonna start with the fresh. Alright, here we go. There is something about a lemon dessert. It just hits different. This pie crust too, so flaky, so tender, so delicious. So check that out. Beyond the crust, very, very delightful. All right, so hopefully the bottled lemon juice can live up to the fresh lemon juice here. There are a lot of other ingredients. There's a ton of sugar in this. It's been baked. Let's see. Right away, it tastes like pine sol. Literally like a cleaning product. Again, all the other flavors are there. You got the nice sugar, salt that came through, like the custardy texture. Pie crust is delicious. Actually, you know what? I can't even say the pie crust is delicious on this one because all I taste is lemon oil, and lemon oil is disgusting. Just buy a lemon. If you want lemon flavor, don't buy anything in a bottle, just buy a lemon. If you're using lemon juice right now, your baking is gonna get a whole lot better if you just switch over to lemons. I know the bottle lasts forever. That should be a red flag to you, honestly, that it can sit in your fridge for a year and still be fine. Just don't buy bottled lemon anymore, please. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.